All right, hey everyone, this is Tim Treats with Patriot Woodworker. So why am I in a sweatshirt and a hat? Because it's finally hoodie weather. It's just nice to put on a hoodie after we've been in 100-degree heat in Texas for so long. Yeah, I could have the doors down and the heater on and be in a t-shirt, but I like a hoodie once in a while. Anywho, got the CNC is finally working. Well, it's paused now, but so now I'm breaking into signs. I'm gonna do some signs. Got a nice chunk of cedar. Thank you. Here. I'm gonna break that off into about 10 by 12 inches or so. Do little chunks. And I've got a nice Green Bay Packer file selected. I'm gonna make that for my dad. And of course, since my dad's the first one to watch this, of course it won't be on YouTube until actually he gets it. And then once he say, hey, I got the sign, then I hit upload. Because otherwise he'd kind of, you know, he'd know before he got it. Anyhow. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I got my 12 by 10-ish section cut off here. And it is about 1.5 inches thick. Nice cedar. It's all live edge. It's gonna be live edge on, well, obviously on two sides. So now we're just gonna take this over here. The GoPro is still working, if you're wondering, but my card is full, and then it would take a long time to download everything and format it and yada yada. So I'm just shooting with my phone for now. So I'm gonna get this buttoned up here, and then so I was about 10 minutes into this, and I realized, oh crap, I forgot to run it through the drum sander here. Make sure everything is all level and even. So I stopped the program. Now we're running through the drum sander. We don't even get the planer anymore because this thing is so great. One more. Good.
I don't know if that'll matter.
What is that?
So it's like a.
nice. I don't even have to go and do a cleanup pass. This is doing it for me.
Just got done machining. Whole hour and a half. I think it's beautiful.
It is. It's cool.
It's at 100 thousandths deep. And that's the deepest that we've seen seed so far. Now we just need to pick out a finish for it, and then that'll be it. Oh well, the ends we'll take over to our cleanup shop. Miss Leilani runs that one.